No, it's apple. Look at the apple. Look at that. Amazing. Ang ganda. Tingnan nyo guys. Maliit lang na puno yan siya. And then, marami na siyang bungang mansanas. Wait. Ito namang alaga ko. Naghahanap na insekto. Kaloka. Wait, mahal ko. Maybe we can find it here, you know? Maybe. I'm not sure. Ang galing. Tingnan nyo guys. Napakaliit lang na puno yan. Pero napaka blessing. Ang daming blessing. No, mahal ko. Tingnan nyo to guys. Oh, may bunga din siya. Ang galing. Oh, yun maliit pa. Taka, yun pa dun sa kabila. And then meron pa dun. You see? Ito maliit pa. Oh, let's go back. Nothing here. I not see anything. Ito pa guys.
Just look for the up.
Yeah, I see. Nice, yeah? Ganda.